Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your Jabra Elite Active 65T to the application. And firstly we should pair these earbuds with the phone, so open settings and go to Bluetooth. Now if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the charging case. Press and hold both of the touch controls on your earbuds, and we should wait for the this blue LED light. Here we go. Now we can see it as a device list, so just click on it. And now hide the settings, open the application. Click continue, skip, and not now. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!